Hey guys, I'm Simon,
And I'm Charlotte.
and we're Heights Design Company.
We partnered up with Rotorazer Saw to bring you 2 videos.
The first one is a simple DIY project of transforming our basement door.
Enjoy, guys!
Now that we took the door outside, I like to go ahead and make all the measurements and kind of draw out the design to see exactly what we're looking for. Kind of helps with the cuts coming up. This is my first time using the Rotorazer saw here, and you can see it's going through this 1/8 inch paneling board with ease, as you would imagine. The easy to use viewfinder makes these cuts no problem. I do kind of wish it did have a laser type option like a lot of other saws have for longer straight cuts. Here we just went through and nailed everything down with 18 gauge nails. This is definitely where I would say the Rotorazer saw outperforms my circular saw, as we had to cut about 3/8 of an inch off the sides and the top to make sure that the door would close properly. So we really liked how this saw was nimble, and we definitely were able to have nice precise cuts, as you can see here. As you can see here, we went with a classic herringbone design. Time to paint. Let us know how we did with this simple DIY project.